Welcome to our Energy Connect studio, Egypt 2023. I'm really glad to have sitting next to me Professor Dr. Mohamed El-Dera, Chief Technology Officer of Innovis. Thank you so much for joining me.
It's my pleasure.
To start off, El-Dera, could you just tell me a bit more about Innovis, what you do, and what you're doing in the energy space?
We are a manufacturer of mechanical components. We develop and design manufacture mechanical components based on our clients' specific needs and requirements. Sometimes they come to us with their exact need, with their background, with a full background about exactly what we use, what design they would like to apply, and other times they come to us with a specific an overview, and they let us come up with a solution, a bespoke solution according to their needs and requirements. And we have a powerful engineering team and a great research and development center that enables us to deliver the world-class standards they come to us seeking, looking for.
Great, and where are you based?
We are based mainly in Austria. Beyond the German-speaking Rome, we exist in 5 various locations. We have 5 factories. Our greatest lies in China. That's where most of our designs and are being manufactured.
Okay, great. And could you go a little bit more about, you mentioned there about R&D and your engineering team and what you do, but any specific details on your product and services you do offer them?
Engineering service, after-sales services, making sure that the requested designs and properties are happening smoothly without any interruptions or failures. And we offer maintenance services, we offer customer support, and give general guidelines continuously to make sure that our products are being used in the ideal way.
Okay, that's good to hear. And obviously here in Egypt, are you sort of looking to the Middle East market to see opportunities that you could have here?
Of course, there's a great potential here. Beyond my role in the organization, I personally see a great potential for investment in Egypt. Also, on a personal scale, I see that the Africa in total is a very rich in natural resources that needs reasonable exploitation. In other words, not to say exploitation, but a reasonable use, utilization, to say. It's a very rich continent in all natural resources.
Absolutely.
Sun, carbon. Carbon capture and storage is a very interesting topic that I was personally investing in the coming decade.
That's interesting. I just want to mention their specific technology. So what is Innovis doing around renewable energy space and looking maybe to the energy transition?
We contribute to that by offering our clients and recommend them the sustainable materials in our designs. Many sustainable materials could be used, could offer the same properties of other materials that are not recyclable or considered pollutants and harmful for the environment. So we offer them a reasonable alternative with sometimes at a higher cost. It's a necessity sometimes, but we show them the value of investing in environmental friendly, in using environmental friendly products. With that, they could scale a lot of financing opportunities with the governments in their respective countries, and we show them that dimension to be considered in their orders with us.
Interesting. And do you do you think Innovis, you could help advise companies how to reduce their carbon footprint? Is that something that you offer as a service or something you'd like to look into?
When it comes to carbon footprint reduction, beyond my specialization and as a responsible for the technical office, of course I support every action and every guidelines that urge and necessitate the reduction of carbon footprint. We see the terrible repercussions of neglecting this matter for so many years. And it's important for us, it's even more important to take actions, not only talks and COPs and conferences, but we urge always our clients to take actions, to enact what they say in public, or to really adopt these values and apply them.
That's good. And I want to go back to, you mentioned a specific technology, carbon capture. Are there any other innovative technologies that you're looking at or excited about that could be coming up in the future?
Digital transformation is vital for every organization. Sometimes it's hard to accommodate in the industrial field because most of industrialists don't see the value of engaging or applying digital applications in their work. But I as a responsible for the technical office, I try to show the rest of the board the importance of integrating these applications in our organization and in our way of management of managing the organization. But it remains a difficulty to convince the financing department of making the right amount of investment in that direction.
Yeah, I can imagine that. Now, as I said, we're here at Egypt. We've come at the end of the show, but how have your 3 days gone? How was the conference? Have you, seen engaging conversations, insightful insights?
Very informative. It's the third day. I've been attending Egypt since 2019, and it's getting better and better every year. And DMG is doing a great job, a great work, as much as they do in every event they make. I participate also in other sectors beyond the oil and gas, also to assess and evaluate the potential for investment in the region in the Middle East.
It's really good to hear. So just as a final point, we're also at the start of 2023. What is your role and what is Innovis looking to do this year? Have you got things that you really want to try and achieve in 2023, either expansions or elements like that?
We would like to expand in the Middle East. It's become a necessity to expand, but in the Middle East, that's something we need to assess and evaluate at this point, and we're on the right track in that direction. We have done a lot. We have talked to many government representatives to acquire the required lands and required documentation and all what's required to get us up and running in the Middle East, and to make sure that the corporates we deal with on a global scale get the same service and products they used to get from us in the Middle East, and the same with the same standards. And
great. Well, Dr. Mohamed El-Dera, that was a fascinating conversation. Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
And I really appreciate you taking time out of your busy conference schedule to come down to the studio.
My pleasure. It's all my pleasure.